This is BentheEVguy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
What's up? This is MModified with another 60-second product review. Today we got these brake pedals. I had them for a while now, super durable. They're actually two separate purchases. So these two on the right, they actually wrap on like sock over the existing pedal. And then the dead pedal cover is 3M tape. As a set, it gives it that more cohesive look. Are they must have? Hell no, no one else sees them except for you. But if you are a car enthusiast and you like all the little details like myself, it's not an expensive purchase. Would I recommend them? Yeah, they're a good stocking stuffer. They're not overly expensive, as I said earlier. So it's up to you, but that's my review. Cheers, happy holidays.